How to reprint a receipt on an Elavon card machine. If you need to reprint a customer's receipt on your Elavon card machine, here's how to do it quickly and easily. Start by pressing the menu or function key on your terminal. From the menu options, select Reprint or Reprint Receipt. The wording may vary depending on your device model. You'll usually see two options: Last Transaction or Search by Transaction. If you just completed the sale, choose Last Transaction, and your terminal will immediately print a copy of the last receipt. If it's an older transaction, select Search by Transaction or Search by Date. Enter the transaction ID, date, or amount to find the specific payment. Once found, highlight the transaction and press Print or Reprint Receipt. The machine will print a merchant copy and a customer copy, depending on your settings. If no receipts appear, check your paper roll or printer connection, and make sure your machine is online. And that's it. That's how to reprint a receipt on your Elavon card machine. Thanks for watching.